Hi students, I am Dr. P. Pandiyamal, Assistant Professor. I without Department of Mathematics. Wow. Okay, sir. Hi students. Hi students, I am Dr. P. Pandiyamal, Department of Mathematics, GTN Arts College, Dindigul. Today we have to see inequality. Inequality in classical algebra. Classical algebra. The course code is 17UMA C12. It's a core paper. Okay, the topic is definition of inequality, properties of inequality, application, triangle inequality, and AM, GM. AM is arithmetic mean, GM is geometric mean, and then harmonic mean. And some theorems are related to arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and a harmonic mean. Okay, what is inequality? Okay, already we know that equation. Okay, what is equation? Equation means something it is equal. Equation means, what is this? Something it is equal. It is an equation. If it is an inequality means, inequality means it is not equal. This is an inequality. It is not equal as an inequality. Okay, already well known that 2 is less than 3. Okay, this one is correct. 2 is less than 3. 2 is not greater than 3. That's not greater than, what is this? 3. Same as 2 is not equal to 3. Okay, these two are the inequalities. The first one is incorrect. Another two are, what is this? It isn't wrong. 2 is it does not greater than or equal to, what is this? 3. Another 2 is not equal to 3. Okay, and understand that one. Equality means something it's equal. Okay, some of the equations must be equal. If it is x minus 2 is equal to 0 means we have to find the value of, what is this? X equal to 2. It is the equation. The same as in our LPP, linear programming problem. Okay, maximize z. Something that equation is given 2x1 plus 3x2. And the subject to the constraint. The subject to the constraint, x1 plus x2 is less than or equal to 2. Okay, a lot of the equations are given. Okay, what is the meaning of that one? If it is an inequality means we have to find the profit or loss of the given function. It is one of the main application of inequality. Linear programming problem is one of the main application of, what is this? Inequality. It's just enough. The definition of inequality is over. Next we want to move on. Properties of inequality. Okay, what are the basic properties of inequality? Okay, properties of inequality. The first property of inequality is, suppose A greater than B and B greater than C, then how to write this one? A greater than, what is this? C. A is greater than C. This is the first property of the inequality. And the second one is, suppose A greater than B means Okay, just we have to multiply the minus through the inequality, we get minus a less than minus b. Minus a, what is this? Less than minus b. And the third one is a greater than b. What is the reciprocal of that one? A greater than b. What is the reciprocal of that one? 1 by a is less than, what is this? 1 by b. Okay, these are the basic properties of inequality. Okay, next we want to move on. Triangle inequality. What is the triangle inequality? Okay, it is one of the famous theorem. Triangle inequality. Depending on a triangle, okay, it's a triangle inequality. For real numbers, a and b are x and y. Okay, we get the first property of triangle inequality is modulus of x plus y is less than or equal to modulus x plus modulus y. And the same as second one is modulus of x minus y is greater than or equal to modulus x minus modulus y, the whole modulus. It is a triangle inequality. The triangle inequality statement is if for any x and y, okay, x and y are the, what is this, real numbers. What is the first condition? Modulus of x plus y is less than or equal to modulus x plus modulus y, and then modulus x minus y is greater than or equal to the whole modulus of modulus x minus modulus y. Okay, and the next the definition of modulus or absolute value. Okay, the definition of modulus or absolute value. Okay, what does that one means? Here, modulus x, it is a modulus. Okay, how to define that modulus x? If it is x means x is greater than or equal to 0. If it is minus x means x is, what is this, less than 0. It is a modulus definition. Okay, in the modulus we have plus x and then minus x are there. Plus x is x greater than or equal to 0. Minus x is, what is this, x is less than 0. Okay, here also in the general case, if it is a greater than 0 means that modulus is reduced to minus a if it is less than or equal to. X is lies between, what is this, minus a to a. Okay, this is a modulus and the absolute value. Okay, and the next we want to move on. Arithmetic mean. Okay, what is an arithmetic mean? Okay, already we know that mean. Mean is, what is this? It is an average. Mean is an, what is this? Average. Suppose we have 10 values are there means just we are adding all the 10 values and taking divided by 10. We get an, what is this, average, mean, thing. Here also the same as arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means for any number a1, a2, etc. up to an, for any real numbers, for any real numbers a1, a2, etc. up to an is arithmetic means. How to write that one? Arithmetic mean equal to a1 plus a2 plus etc. up to an divided by n is called the arithmetic mean of a1, a2, etc. up to an. This is what is this? Arithmetic mean. Okay, next is geometric mean. Geometric mean. Here also the same as our geometric mean can be written as, what is this, gm. Okay, how to write that one? a1 into a2 into etc. up to an the whole power 1 by n is called the geometric mean about, what is this, a1, a2, etc. up to an. Okay, next is then harmonic mean. Okay, harmonic mean means n divided by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus etc. up to 1 by an. Okay, harmonic mean means, what is this? n divided by 1 by a1, 1 by a2, etc. up to 1 by an. For a1, a2, etc. up to an. That harmonic mean is reciprocal of the arithmetic mean. What is this? Okay, already we know that the arithmetic mean is what is this? A1 plus a2 plus etc. up to an divided by n. And then geometric mean is a1 into a2 into etc. up to an the whole power 1 by n. Harmonic mean is n divided by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus etc. up to 1 by an. Okay, that harmonic mean is reciprocal of arithmetic mean of 1 by a1 real numbers 1 by a1 comma 1 by a2 etc. up to 1 by an. Okay, just to add substitute that just to add replace that value. A1 by what is this? 1 by a1 plus a2 by what is this? 1 by a2 plus etc. up to an by what is this? 1 by n. 1 by an, just we have to taking the reciprocal, we get an what is this? Harmonic mean. Okay, the relation between the harmonic mean and the arithmetic mean is what is this? Reciprocal. Harmonic mean is reciprocal of the what is this? Arithmetic mean. Okay, and the next topic is theorem. Okay, theorem statement is, okay, we have to prove that A greater than G. Okay, this is a theorem for what is this? Relation between the arithmetic mean and then geometric mean. Okay, here the arithmetic mean of n positive real numbers. This is a statement, we have to prove that this one, A greater than G, the arithmetic mean of n positive real numbers not all of them being equal is greater than their geometric mean. There, what is this? Geometric mean. We have to prove that one. Here we have to take in what is this? Arithmetic mean. What is the condition of that statement? Positive real numbers. N positive real numbers are that positive real numbers, not all of them being what is this? Equal. K is greater than their what is this? Geometric mean. If it is that one is being equal means, okay, all this arithmetic mean and then geometric mean, harmonic mean, all the values are equal. Okay, on the purpose we are to taking what is this? Not all of them being equal. Okay, proof of that one. Okay, what is we have to prove that what is this? A greater than G. Arithmetic mean is greater than what is this? Geometric mean. AM, arithmetic mean is greater than what is this? Geometric mean. Okay, that is to prove that arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Here we have two cases. Case 1. Suppose we have to taking G equal to 1. Okay, we have to taking what is this? G equal to 1. If it is G equal to 1 means, we have to prove that what is this? A greater than 1. A is what is this? Greater than 1. Which implies, what is this A? What is A? A is an arithmetic mean. A1 plus A2 plus etc. up to plus AN divided by N is greater than 1. A1 plus A2 plus etc. up to AN divided by N is what is this? Greater than 1. Okay, what is the aim? That is to prove that A1 plus A2 plus etc. up to plus AN is greater than N. Okay, this is we have to prove that one. Okay, what is this? We have an inequality. That inequality is what is this? Greater than N. Okay, A1 plus A2 plus etc. up to AN is what is this? Greater than N. We have to prove that. Okay, here we are to using mathematical induction. Okay, by using mathematical induction here. Okay, already we know that what is the mathematical induction. Okay, what is the mathematical induction? If it is, we have to prove that the initial value n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 2, it is easily prove that one. We have to assume that that value is true for n is equal to k minus 1 or k. We have to prove that that value is true for what is this, n is equal to k or k plus 1. Okay, it is on what is this, mathematical induction. Here also we are using the same way. Here first of all we have to assume that n is equal to 2. Why we are to taking n is equal to 1? If it is n is equal to 1 means the proof is trivial here. Okay, on that purpose we are to taking what is this, n is equal to 2. Okay, if it is n is equal to 2 means by hypothesis g equal to 1. If it is n is equal to 2 means we get it is what is this, a1 into a2 the whole power 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Here we are using the geometric mean, a1 into a2 into etc up to a in the whole power 1 by n. Just to add substitute n is equal to 2 here, we get it is what is this, a1 into a2 the whole power 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, and just to add simplify that one, we get a1 into a2 is equal to what is this, 1. a1 into a2 is equal to what is this, it is 1. Okay, already we know that in our statement, not all of them being equal. Not all of them being equal. It is a statement. Here we are using that one. We get a1 is greater than 1. Since a1 is greater than 1 and a2 is less than 1. Okay, a1 and a2 are what is this, different or distinct here. Okay, here also I have to simplify that one. We get a1 minus 1 is greater than 0 and the same as 1 minus a2 is also greater than 0. Okay, just to have to multiply this, our RHS side is greater than 0. Okay, just to have to multiply LHS, we get a1 minus 1 into 1 minus a2 greater than 0. Okay, I have to simplify that one. a1 minus a1 into a2. Here also just you have to multiply this one. Minus 1 minus minus is plus a2. It is greater than 0. Okay, in our equation 1. Okay, where is that equation? Here, this is an equation number 1. Okay, using that equation, what is this? a1 into a2 is equal to 1. You are using here. Okay, we get a1 minus 1 plus a2 greater than 0. Here we are using what is this? Geometric mean of our hypothesis. We are using n is equal to 2 value. a1 into a2 is equal to what is this? 1. Here we are using equation number 1. Okay. Okay, what is the value of this one? 1 minus 1 is it is what is this? Minus 2 plus a2 greater than 0. Okay, just to simplify that one, we get a1 plus a2 is greater than 2, which is enough. Therefore, the result is true for n is equal to 2. Okay, therefore, the result is true for what is this? N is equal to 2. Okay, the first part is over in case 1, and the next we have to assume that the result is true for n is equal to k minus 1. N is equal to k minus 1. What is that one? N is equal to k minus 1 means what is this? a1 plus a2 plus etc. up to a k minus 1 is, already we know that a1, a2 etc. up to an is greater than n. Here also you have to write a1 plus a2 plus etc. up to a k minus 1 is greater than k minus 1. Okay, this is equation number 2. We have to assume that. Okay, what's our aim? We have to prove that the result is true for n is equal to k. This is an mathematical induction. Okay, to prove that the result is true for n equal to k. Okay, what is that? That is to prove that, prove that a1 plus a2 plus etc. up to ak greater than k. Okay, this is our proof. Okay, here also the same one, we are using our hypothesis. By hypothesis, a1 into a2, it is a geometric progression hypothesis. a1 into a2 into etc. up to ak minus 1, the whole power 1 by k minus 1 is greater than, what is this? 1. Okay, here also we are using our hypothesis, that is what is this? N is equal to 2 means we get it is equal to 1. Okay, and then we are to taking power on k minus 1 on both sides, we get a1, a2 etc. up to ak minus 1 is equal to, what is this? It is 1. Okay, this is our equation number 3. Okay, and then just try to simplify that one, we get an answer. Okay, what's your aim? That right? Here also the same process of our statement, not all of them being equal. Okay, what's our aim? We are to write our LHS of our aim. The LHS is, what is this? a1 plus a2 plus etc. up to ak. Okay, just we are to write a1 plus a2 plus etc. up to, what is this? ak. Just we are to replace, just we are to multiplying, so add and subtract a1 into ak here. Add and subtract a1 and what is this? ak here. We get a1 ak plus a2 plus etc. up to ak. Just we are adding. Already we are adding, what is this? a1 ak and then subtracting our, what is this? a1 ak here. Okay, a1 ak and then plus a1. Okay, last we are write it is ak. Okay. Okay, what is the value of this one? a1 ak plus a2 plus etc. up to ak is greater than k. This one is, what is this? Greater than k. And then just you have to replace that one. Plus a1 first you have to write, or plus ak first you have to write, plus ak minus a1 ak plus a1. Okay, just we have to simplify that one, and lastly we have to put it as greater than. Simplification purpose, there is no need of greater than etc. Okay, just we have to taking common outside by ak here, we get it is, what is this? 1 minus a1 plus a1. Okay, here also we have to taking common outside by 1 minus a1, we get it is, what is this? ak minus 1. Okay, what is the value of that one? Okay, already we know that in our geometric mean, 1 minus a1 into ak minus 1 is greater than 0. Okay, therefore we get greater than k plus 0. Okay, we get an answer. The answer is, what is this? a1 plus a2 plus etc. up to ak greater than k. Okay, here we are using the mathematical induction. We have to prove that, what is this? N is equal to 2, it is trivial proof. And then n is equal to k minus 1, we have to assume that is that, and then we have to substitute, we get it is, what is this? We get an answer. Here it is, what is this? a1 plus a2 plus etc. up to ak is greater than k. Okay, what is the general result? We get a1 plus a2 plus etc. up to plus an is greater than n. Okay, what is the meaning of that one? Hence a greater than g. Okay, hence it is a greater than g. Here also second case. First case is over. Next we want to move on our second case. Second case, we have, as it is, we are to taking our geometric mean. Okay, case 2. G equal to a1 into a2 into etc. up to ak, the whole power 1 by n. Okay, as it is, we are to taking that one. Just we have to divide it by the value here g. Then we get a1 by g, a2 by g, etc. up to ak by g, the whole power, what is this? 1 by n. 1 by k. If it is, we have to taking k, here also I have to put it as, what is this? n. Okay, that's no problem. Okay, just try to replace that one. Here it is 1 is equal to what is this? A1 by G into A2 by G, etc. up to what is this? AN by G, the whole power 1 by N. Okay, by case 1, we get, what is this? A greater than what is this? N. What is this? Case 1, we get A1 plus A2 plus etc. up to plus AN is greater than N. Okay, just we are using this value here. What is the type of value here? A1 by G. Okay, already we know that. What is the positive real numbers? A1, A2, etc. up to AN. Okay, here it is what is this? A1 by G, A2 by G, etc. up to what is this? AN by G. Okay, just we are substitute this one. A1 by G plus A2 by G plus etc. up to AN by G the greater than the N. Okay, just we are taking common outside that value, we get A1 plus A2 plus etc. up to AN divided by G. It is greater than 1. Here also I have to simplify that one. We get it is what is this? A1 plus A2 plus etc. up to AN divided by N is greater than G. Then we get, what is the value of that one? What is the definition of that one? A1 plus A2 plus etc. up to AN divided by N is capital A. It is an arithmetic mean. A greater than G. Okay, just enough. The arithmetic mean of n positive real number, not all of them being equal, is greater than their, what is this? Geometric mean. Here also the same process. In the next theorem statement, the same process of the last theorem. Okay. The geometric mean of n equal positive real numbers result. Okay. The geometric mean of n real positive real numbers, not all of them being equal, is greater than their, what is this? Harmonic mean. G is greater than G is a next result. Already we know that A is greater than G. Just we have to combine these two equations, these two inequalities, we get it is what is this? A greater than G, greater than H. Okay, arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Geometric mean is greater than what is this? Harmonic mean. Okay, overall the greater value is what is this? Greater mean is what is this? It is an arithmetic mean. Okay, just enough. A greater than G and then G greater than H. Okay, already I told you that not all of them being equal. Suppose if it is equal, A1 equal to A2 equal to etc. up to equal to AN equal to A means, okay, what we have? A equal to G equal to H is equal to A. Okay, all the values goes to what is this? Equal to what is this? A. Okay, just add substitute here. Suppose all the value. This is an arithmetic mean formula. Okay, this is an what is this? Arithmetic mean formula. Okay, this is an arithmetic mean formula. Okay, right here it is. Arithmetic mean formula is A1 plus A2 plus etc. up to plus AN divided by N. Here I have to substitute all the values goes to A. Then we get it is what is this? A plus etc. up to plus A divided by A. How many values of A here? N values. Then how to write? N into A divided by N. N is cancelling. We get it as A. Similar process of what is this? Geometric mean and then harmonic mean. Okay, we get it is what is this? A equal to G equal to H is equal to what is this? A. Okay, overview of our inequality is what is this? Okay, first we have to see the definition of inequality. Okay, first we have to see what is this? Overview. The summary of the inequality is, first we have to see the definition of inequality. And then properties of, basic properties of inequalities. And then a definition of modulus. And the next is triangle inequality. Lastly, we have to see arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Next, we have to conclude that our result, the theorem, basic theorem of what is this? Relations between the relationship between the what is this? Arithmetic mean, geometric mean and then harmonic mean. What is our conclusion? That conclusion is A greater than G greater than what is this? H. Okay, always arithmetic mean is greater than the what is this? Geometric mean and then harmonic mean. Thank you.